Hey everyone, so I'm back out for a hike today. I'm heading over to Alport Castles. It's really quite misty here, so I'm not sure how much visibility I'll get, but it's a really nice day actually, you know, with the mist through the trees. So yeah, it should be a good walk. But I'm just heading up to Derwent Dam now, and I'll head along the reservoir and then up onto the moors over to Alport Castles. So join me for this hike today. So I'm just heading over the moor now, over to Alport Castles. It's really quiet up here. There's nobody here, and there's hardly any wind as well, so it's really peaceful. It's really nice up here. So I've just scrambled up to the top of the tower. It was quite tough because the rock's quite wet, so it hasn't been the easiest of scrambles up, and the grass as well, but it's nice to be up here, and I'm just going to head down and then head back down to Derwent Reservoir. So I'm just heading back to Derwent Reservoir now, and yeah, this path seems to be never ending across the moors really, so I'm kind of looking forward to getting back to the reservoir and seeing something different from moorland and mist.